Hi, I'm Max, and today I'm going to be talking about Power BI. I've previously spoken about Power Apps and how this is a part of the Microsoft Power Platform. Power BI also sits within the same set of applications. Now, whilst Power Apps can be used to create custom apps, Power BI is a business intelligence and analytics tool which provides with real-time insights by presenting your data through a variety of visual tools, all placed within the dashboards and reports. You can create custom dashboards and reports to display your data from many different areas of your business, such as sales, marketing, customer service, or any other business functions, including external data sources. Power BI allows you to get deep insights from your data as you can slice, filter, and drill down into it. Natural language querying is also available within the application, allowing you to ask questions about your data, the same way that you'd ask a search engine, and because it's cloud-based, dashboards and visualizations are automatically updated to provide you with the answers that you need. And as well, with all Microsoft solutions, your data is always secure.